Okay, so here's something we see quite often. Motors fail, and part of the failure is probably due to the wet conditions. Ideally, this would be raised up over the ground, but as you can see, I mean, I actually pulled off this plate in the back to get the screws out. They snapped. That's how corroded it was. But yeah, that's probably one of the #1 reasons motors fail. Unfortunately, you can't always raise it because of all the plumbing. It would be a tremendous job to redo it. I mean, it can be done, but the time to do it is when you're replacing all those valves and stuff. But got the new motor ready to go. Okay, so the new motor is in. We're running good. I took away some of the dirt that was under there, so a lot more room, and hopefully this one will last a good long time.